Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Z transform. Let us find Z transform of sine square of n pi by 4. And to determine this Z transform, we use this standard result from trigonometry. We know that sine square theta as 1 minus cos of 2 theta divided by 2. And therefore, that sine square n pi by 4 we can rewrite as 1 by 2 times 1 minus cos of 2 times n pi by 4, and therefore it is 1 by 2 1 minus cos of, multiplying by 2 inside we get n pi by 2, and then Z transform of this term is Z transform of this term, and therefore taking Z transform on both sides, Z transform of sine square n pi by 4 is equal to Z transform of 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos of n times pi by 2. Individual Z transform. Taking individual Z transform, 1 by 2 constant term we can take outside. Z transform of 1 minus Z transform of cos of n pi by 2. Then it is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Z transform of 1 is Z upon Z minus 1, and minus Z transform of cos omega n is Z minus cos omega, here omega is pi by 2, and divided by Z square minus 2Z cos of omega cos of pi by 2 and plus 1. Standard result for Z transform of cos omega n. And then we know the value of cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, and therefore we get 1 by 2 times Z divided by Z minus 1 minus Z into Z, it becomes Z square. Cos pi by 2 is 0, divided by Z square, again cos pi by 2 is 0, plus 1. This is the required answer, or required Z transform. Second example, find Z transform of cos 3n multiplied by cos 4n. Here it is a product of two terms of cos. Therefore, applying defactorization result, we know that 2 cos A cos B as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the standard result from trigonometry, and therefore that cos of 3n into cos 4n we rewrite as multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. Cos of 3n into cos of 4n. This is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B, and therefore it is cos of 3n plus 4n, we get 7n, plus cos of A minus B, 3n minus 4n, we get minus n. And another standard result, cos minus theta is cos theta, and therefore it is 1 by 2 times cos of 7n plus cos of n, and we call this equation 1. And then taking Z transform on both sides, Z transform of left hand side, Z transform of right hand side, and therefore Z transform of cos of 3n into cos of 4n, 1 by 2 as it is, and Z transform of cos of 7n plus cos n equal to, applying standard result, Z transform of cos omega n is Z minus cos omega. Here omega is 7, therefore cos of 7 divided by Z square minus 2Z cos of omega cos 7 and plus 1. And same result to find Z transform of cos n. It is Z into Z minus cos omega. Here omega is 1, therefore cos of 1 divided by Z square minus 2Z cos of 1 and plus 1. A required result, a required Z transform. In my next video, I will discuss the first property for Z transform. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for my all new videos, press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.